Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I am going to sit down and plan the week of February 24th through March 1st. I'm using a kit that a sweet subscriber sent me, and her name is Kimberly. She sent it to me months ago, and finally I get to use it. It's from Sweet Kawaii Designs, and it's called Unicorn Daydream. Yes, please. So here we are in my planner. It's super extra. There's nothing subdued about it, and I absolutely love it. I'm just giving you a couple flip through of the last weeks that you guys haven't seen. I was keeping up with my planner, as far as decorating it. As you can see, some of the spreads are a little bit empty, but I live and die by my weekly. I need that to see at a glance what's going on. So I am so excited to finally use this kit that Kimberly sent me. Because I have been trying to use all of my themed kits, because first it was Christmas, and then we had all those cute January kits from Shine Sticker Studio, and then Valentine's kits. So now finally, in between Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day, I have a couple weeks where I can use, different ones. So this was perfect because Unicorn Daydream. Come on. This was a itty bitty kit. She's got several sizes, I think, and Kimberly said that she saw this one and basically thought of me, and so she was so sweet and she got it and sent it to me. So
totally unnecessary, but completely and absolutely fucking awesome.
So anyways, I am using she got like all the little pieces of it too, which was super cool. The itty bitty is a little bit smaller than the columns for the Hobonichi cousin, the A5, but it totally works. I just kind of, I didn't have to trim anything, which was kind of nice. I just used the little date dots beside it in front of putting, instead of putting them on the day of the week cover. And I don't know, I like it. I think it works. I picked this little kind of tealish washi with white polka dots because I thought it matched the teal and the little rainbows pretty perfectly. So I really liked that, and I was running that along the top and bottom because I'm just kind of addicted to using coordinating washi just to fill up the page, because just like my journaling, I just like it to be full. I don't know why. So it came with these beautiful rainbow strips of washi. Oh, they're so pretty. It's like this pastel clouds and rainbows, and I'm right up my alley. And then I use my Mildliner to highlight the week that it is in the month, which has been really helpful to me because I've realized that I'm kind of clueless. How did I just realize that? It's so obvious to all of you, I'm sure. But it helps me see where we are in the month because for some reason I don't put two and two together. So when I highlighted that, I was like, oh my God, it's the last week of February. Like in my mind, it's still the first week in January, even though I know that the date is the end of February. You get what I'm saying? Like, whatever. It's helpful. So I'm putting in the little itty bitty stickers. I love the little unicorn. I don't know what the little unicorn pig's name is from Sweet Kawaii Design, but I'm obsessed. I love it. And so I was just flipping to my February monthly spreads to see what was going on this week. Can you even believe that I know what's happening in my life with how busy that is? But I do. I get it. I love it. So I'm just going to keep doing it, I guess. I put a little along in my column over to the left. I was using some of the little boxes, and then the one with all of the days of the week I'm going to use for YouTube video uploads, I think, which I don't know, I've never done that, but I thought I might plan my videos for the next week, see if that works. And then a habit tracker that I'm probably going to use for like low carb, keto-ish. And then I am just using a lot of those boxes, and I'm kind of scattering them. I like to sort of look at the colors and make sure that I'm scattering the colors correctly. And then I also like to turn the boxes like vertically and horizontally, just depending on, you know, what's around it in the spread, just to make it look a little bit different. So, I don't know. I kind of like that. And then it mixes it up a little bit, you know. And I just like the way that it looks. I love that this kit came with the little icons of the little unicorn like doing stuff. So on Monday, I had a box. I'm meeting a friend for coffee. And so there was a little one of her drinking coffee. And then I have a work skills day. And I write in everything at the end. First, I just lay down my boxes. But I end up putting a little one by that. And then Addie has ballet in the evening. And so I used a little box for that. I kind of just mix and match them so that there's not similar ones right next to each other. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? And then I ended up putting in a lot of like extra ones in this week because there were so many on the kit and I was obsessed. So Tuesday, Michael was off. So I originally put that little balloon thing, but I moved that and put it on Friday. And I end up putting a little reading, a little unicorn reading a book because I thought that was super cute. And then Tuesday night is karate test night. So I used one of the little clouds and I write test night on that. And then let's see, just different scattered things. Let's see, they don't have school on Friday and they have friends coming over. So I end up moving the balloons to that box because that is needs some balloons in order to celebrate. And let's see, the weekend, there was a little grocery shopping one, so I put in a box for that. I love that there's so many boxes in this kit. Usually I have to be really stingy with my boxes and my, you know, like labels and stuff because we have a lot going on, but I was throwing them in willy-nilly and just boxing out everything. Because I wanted to use all the beautiful rainbows. So Saturday night I put in a box and then the little sticker that says Netflix binge, because usually that's what Michael and I do on Saturday nights. We watch movies or Netflix or whatever. And it's my favorite night of the week. Unfortunately, not this weekend because I have to work all weekend. Gosh, adulting is so overrated. Would not recommend. I saw a hilarious meme that was like adulting. 10 out of 10 would not, or 0 out of 10 would not recommend. Oh, ain't that the truth? And then I put in a beautiful rainbow sticker on Saturday and then the little sleeping one because Saturday I'm going to sleep in. That's my plan. What else? I'm just throwing in the little decorations and this just makes me so happy, this little spread of rainbows. And the little, like, fork and knife I thought was so cute. And since I had it, I thought I would track, like, what meals I make for the family in those little boxes. We'll see if I can, you know, make my giant handwriting little enough to fit in those boxes, but we'll see. And then these little cloud checklists are so cute that I just threw them in the middle of the spread and I'm going to write something on them because it's not big enough checklist for my daily pages, but the stickers need to be used because they are just adorable. So, and like I said, I like it full. I like my girl to be full. So,
I like my planner like I like my stomach. Full.
I think that needs to go on a t-shirt. Do you guys think I should make merch? I would be a real annoying YouTuber then, like a for real one, if I had merch. But everybody, you guys keep asking for those sayings on things, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I think it would be amazing. And then I'm just throwing in more little people. And then on the Sweet Kawaii Design stickers, remember you have to use a permanent Mildliner, and I'm using the ones that I used last time. It's the Sharpie brand, and these were the cosmic colors, and the purple was so pretty. It matched perfectly. And her stickers are, somebody told me, are they vinyl? They're definitely different than like Shine Sticker Studio. They're like slick kind of. But they, I love them. They peel up really easily from the Tomoe River paper, which is really nice because I'm so indecisive that I like to rearrange things sometimes. And I have no problem pulling those up. So that's a plus. And I'm just writing in our plans, and I love it. I'm obsessed. In this little session, I don't set up my daily pages, but I have been using the crap out of my daily pages, at least this week. This last couple of weeks when I, fell off the cliff, I was definitely not writing a whole lot down. But these daily pages, you guys, I'm living for them, living for them. This is, I think, my planner piece, or as close to it as I could come. So that's kind of cool. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.